Do you remember the story of Numberland? Well, in Numberland, there were lots and lots of numbers. Bigger numbers were formed by multiplying the smaller numbers. Not just that, bigger numbers, which were formed by multiplying the smaller numbers, call the smaller numbers their friends. So these numbers are the friends of the bigger numbers. We call these numbers as the factors of the bigger numbers. So 1, 2, 5 and 10, they multiply with some other number to give 10. So these are all factors of 10. 1, 2, 5 and 10 are the different factors of 10. So 10 calls 1, 2, 5 and 10 as its factors. But should 1, 2, 5 and 10 call this 10 as their factor or something else? Let us see. So let me give you an example here. These are two brothers. Now she is their mother. So they call her mom or mother. But does this lady call these two boys mom? No, she calls them son. Similarly, 1, 2, 5 and 10, they are the factors of 10. But 10 is not a factor of these numbers. So what is 10 of these numbers? Do we have a different name for it? Yes, we do. We say that 10 is a multiple of these numbers. So 10 is a multiple of 1, 10 is a multiple of 2, 10 is a multiple of 5 and 10 is a multiple of itself. Why? Because 10 is formed by multiplying these numbers with some other number. So 10 is formed by multiplying 1 with 10. It is formed by multiplying 2 with 5. It is formed by multiplying 5 with 2. And it is also formed by multiplying itself with 1. So 10 is a multiple of 1, 10 is a multiple of 2, 10 is a multiple of 5 and 10 is also a multiple of itself, that is 10. So if I get 10 by multiplying these numbers by some other numbers, I say that 10 is a multiple of these numbers. So now in this case, 3 into something is 18. What is that? 3 into 6 is 18. We know that. So 3 into 6 is 18. So 18 is formed by multiplying 3 with some other number. So I can say that 3 is a factor of 18. Also 6 is a factor of 18 because 6 multiplied by 3 gives 18. So both these are factors of 18. But what is 18? 18 is formed by multiplying 3 with 6. So I say that 18 is a multiple. It is a multiple of 3 and 6. So it is a multiple of 3 as well as a multiple of 6. So this is the relation between factors and multiples. So if two numbers are multiplied to get a third number, then these two numbers are the factors and what we get by multiplying is a multiple. So multiple, in other words, is something which we get by multiplying. The name itself suggests it is a multiple, that is something which we get by multiplying. The name is very similar to multiply. So multiple is something which we get by multiplying. In this case, I get 18 by multiplying 3 and 6. So 18 is the multiple. And what we are multiplying are the factors. So now can you answer this question? 3 is a factor of 12. Is 12 a multiple of 3? Well, it is given that 3 is a factor of 12. So this means that 3 into something is 12. This also means that 12 is formed by multiplying 3 with something, which means that 12 is a multiple of 3. So the answer is yes. 12 is a multiple of 3. Now look at this multiplication table. This is the multiplication table of 2 from 2 into 1 till 2 into 10. What are all these? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What are all these numbers? These are the numbers which are formed by multiplying 2 with different numbers from 1 to 10. So what can I say about these numbers? Well, all these numbers are actually multiples of 2 because these numbers are formed by multiplying 2 with some other numbers. So the term multiple in itself doesn't mean anything. When you are specifying multiple, you need to state multiple of what. So in this case, all these are multiples of 2. If I write only multiple, that would not mean anything at all. So I need to write multiples of 2. And all these are multiples of 2. Similarly, this is the multiplication table of 3. Now in this case also, I see that these are the numbers which are formed by multiplying 3 with different numbers from 1 to 10. So these are actually multiples of 3 because these are formed by multiplying 3 with different numbers. So 3 is a multiple of 3, 6 is a multiple of 3, 9 is a multiple of 3, 12 is a multiple of 3, 15 is a multiple of 3, and so on till 30. So now you know what are multiples. Multiples of a number are the numbers which are formed by multiplying that number with some other number. So take up different numbers and find out their multiples. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.